Hi class, my name is Professor Lynch. I'll be your guide through the next 12 weeks, and this is week 4, which is actually week 1 in the fall 22 semester. Real quick, I wanted just to let you know that I'm here for you once a week in Zoom Live, but this is an asynchronous class, so you don't need to physically come into the office hours, and it's not required that you come in at a certain time, although there'll be timed assignments due on particular days. This class is designed for those who can come to the class and do their work at a variety of times during the day, right? So, on the left-hand side, the place takes place here in modules. Why is there a home page? Because I wanted to introduce myself. I wanted to show you some pictures, and I wanted to tell you where to start, right? Notice on the right-hand side, you'll have all your assignments for all your classes on the to-do list. Don't just click on this, because if you just click on this, you will see that it has that assignment, but it doesn't have any explanation backups. There's supplementary documents, supplementary videos, supplementary lectures like this one, all designed to help you. So it's a good place to look at your calendar, but at the same time, do not just look at that here when you say, okay, I got to do 3 assignments, here we go. Well, then where do I look, Professor Lynch? Well, click on modules, and modules will walk you through the process of everything you need to know, one page at a time. This is our syllabus, but it's also an orientation module. So you will see some documents in here. There's me graduating college a long time ago. And then next is the first assignment, which is a Google questionnaire that you click on, and it asks you your name, or what you want me to call you, your major, what grade did you earn in the most recent English class, including high school. So we'll just ask a series of questions. You send that in, and I will keep that on file, so I will remember what you like and what you like to be called, right? So back to modules. The syllabus has a few exercises in them, which discussion boards, a question, and orientation self check quiz, and all those assignments on the syllabus will be due Wednesday night. And then week 1 has a couple of discussion boards also due Wednesday night. The initial post, and then you talk and respond to other students until Sunday, right? Follow the modules, the dated modules. I'll release week 2 probably around, Wednesdays, Wednesday evenings, and you'll know what's coming up next week. So you'll always be a week ahead of you, right? Also check out on the left-hand side, PCC Connect, the Writing Success Center. These are all areas that can help you help yourself, right, to succeed. And what I want you to do is succeed. My job is to get you to where you need to be, whether it be 1B, 1C, or simply just an upper division history, philosophy class, where you have to write papers. The information I give you here, the assignments I have you do here, are all geared towards making you succeed, not just in this class, but in other classes. So let's dive in. Welcome again. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me, and or come into the office hours, and let's all do this together. Okay.